This old guy DIY video has to do with the way I modified a hat to accept a GoPro mount right on top of the user's head. So in this case, I've since lost the GoPro, but I still had the hardware laying around. A friend of mine called and said, "Hey, you made a cap like that, didn't you? Can you tell me how it was made?" So I dug the thing out and I'll show you now. I had a kit of GoPro mount things. This base was a part that's designed to sit on the dash of your car on top of a glorified sandbag. So I took it and I trimmed the edges down with a grinder, and then I decided where on the hat I wanted the thing to be mounted, and I cut a hole in the hat. After I had the hole cut in the hat so the thing would sit where I wanted it, I then took this mount and I rubbed a bunch of E6000 glue on the top of it. I set it on the ground. You can see the base comes through the hat, and then I set a sandbag on top of the hat with that plastic piece beneath it overnight, and I ended up with this GoPro mount. Having a piece this big distributes the force across the top of your head so the GoPro doesn't want to fall over, and it seems to me that it's better balanced than having it out on the brim of a baseball cap, for example. And with the quick disconnect here, you can put whatever type of holder you want on there. This is what the top of the hat looks like without the GoPro mounted to it. If you're concerned about this plastic pushing on your head with the weight of the GoPro on top, you might want to put a washcloth or just a piece of cotton beneath it right on top of your skull. But I've worn this thing several times in the woods, particularly on hunting trips, that type of thing. And it really does a nice job. So I hope this idea helped you. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you for watching.